In this SOLIDWORKS tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do a broken out section view of an existing drawing view. So in this part drawing, we've got our isometric views placed. Let's say we want to, call out, we want to dimension a slice of this part that we can't access in this current view. So we can do what's called a broken out section, where it automatically pulls up the spline tool. We're just going to freeform draw our little area that we want to cut out or remove, and then it asks us for the depth. How far down do we want to cut away? We can select any feature on this back face because this is an angle, so the depth will be to that feature. Select OK. You can see it removes this corner all the way to that back plate, and now we can carry on with our dimensioning if we want to, for example, call out this little width here that we could not call out because that other feature was in the way. So that's how you do the broken out section view in SOLIDWORKS drawings or other CAD tools. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, support me, consider becoming a bronze channel member. I post job listings and all sorts of stuff, so support me on Patreon. Put the links below.